In this video, I'll be showing you how to add or remove Samsung account on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do firstly is go over to your settings application. Then once you're here, go ahead and click on your Samsung account, which is at the very top. And you just want to go over here. It's going to show you all your different settings and everything. And then what you want to do is you can add a recovery method if you want to. Go ahead and scroll down. You can click sign out and then just make a new account if you want to. But I think the best thing to do would just be to add a recovery method. If you want to remove your Samsung account, click sign out, and then you're going to be prompted for identity verification. You're going to be prompted to enter your Samsung account password or verify it by a biometric check, like a fingerprint or face, and then the account is going to be removed from the device, but your data remains stored in the cloud for when you sign in again. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to do it, but then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.